Hello and welcome to this video about the Edo Castle, a historic site located in Tokyo, Japan. In this video, I'll be exploring the history of the castle, the preserved structures that can still be visited today, and the events that are held at the castle grounds throughout the year. Edo Castle was a large fortified palace complex located in Edo, present-day Tokyo, Japan. The castle was the residence of the shogun, the military leader of Japan during the Edo period, 1603 to 1868. The construction of the castle began in 1593 and was completed in 1636, with additional renovations and expansions carried out over the years. The castle was built on a large plot of land surrounded by moats, with multiple gates and entrances leading to different sections of the complex. The central keep of the castle, known as the donjon, was a towering structure with several levels, serving as the shogun's main residence and administrative center. The castle grounds also contained several other structures, including residential quarters for the shogun's family and retainers, a guardhouse, an armory, stables, gardens, and even a zoo. The castle was also home to several important government offices and was a center of political power in Japan. During its heyday, Edo Castle was one of the largest and most impressive castles in the world, with a total area of over 400,000 square meters. The castle was also heavily fortified, with walls several meters thick and guarded by thousands of samurai warriors. However, in 1868, during the Meiji Restoration, the shogunate was overthrown, and Edo Castle was decommissioned. Much of the castle was destroyed in subsequent years, but some of the original structures, such as the Fujimi-yagura watchtower and the Ninomaru garden, have been preserved and are now open to the public as part of the Tokyo Imperial Palace. These areas provide excellent photo opportunities and are popular with tourists visiting the area. The Fujimi-yagura watchtower, a three-story structure located in the northeast corner of the palace grounds. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding area. The tower is particularly beautiful during cherry blossom season, when the trees in the surrounding gardens are in full bloom. The Ninomaru Garden, a traditional Japanese garden located in the palace grounds. The garden features a large pond, several bridges, and numerous trees and plants. The garden is particularly beautiful in the fall, when the leaves change color, and in the spring, when the cherry blossoms are in bloom. In addition to these preserved structures, the surrounding area of the Tokyo Imperial Palace offers many beautiful photo spots, including Nayubashi Bridge, the Imperial Palace East Garden, and Kokyogaon National Garden. The Edo Castle no longer exists in its original form, but the Tokyo Imperial Palace, which occupies the same site, holds a number of events throughout the year. Here are a few examples. New Year's greeting. Every year on January 2nd, the imperial family appears on the balcony of the Imperial Palace to greet the public and wish them a Happy New Year. This event is free to attend and is very popular among Japanese citizens and tourists. Cherry blossom viewing. During the spring, the cherry blossom trees in and around the Imperial Palace grounds bloom, creating a beautiful and iconic sight. The palace grounds are open to the public during this time, and visitors can enjoy the cherry blossoms while taking a leisurely stroll. Autumn foliage viewing. In the fall, the leaves of the trees in and around the Imperial Palace turn beautiful shades of yellow, orange, and red. The palace grounds are open to the public during this time, and visitors can enjoy the autumn foliage while taking a stroll. Emperor's birthday. On February 23rd, the Emperor's birthday is celebrated with a public ceremony at the Imperial Palace. Members of the public can attend the ceremony, which includes a speech by the Emperor. Imperial Palace guided tours. Throughout the year, the Imperial Household Agency offers guided tours of the Imperial Palace grounds. These tours allow visitors to learn about the history and significance of the palace while exploring the beautiful gardens and structures. Please note that some of these events may be subject to change or cancellation, so it is best to check the official website of the Imperial Household Agency for up-to-date information. The Edo Castle no longer exists in its original form, but the Tokyo Imperial Palace, which occupies the same site, is located in the center of Tokyo and is easily accessible from Haneda Airport. Here are some ways to get to the Imperial Palace from Haneda Airport: by train, take the Tokyo monorail from Haneda Airport to Hamamatsucho Station. At Hamamatsucho Station, transfer to the Junior Yamanote line and take it to Tokyo Station. From Tokyo Station, the Imperial Palace is about a 15 to 20 minute walk or a short taxi ride away. By taxi, taxis are readily available at Haneda Airport, and the ride to the Imperial Palace takes approximately 30 to 40 minutes depending on traffic. By airport limousine bus, take an airport limousine bus from Haneda Airport to Tokyo Station. From Tokyo Station, the Imperial Palace is about a 15 to 20 minute walk or a short taxi ride away. Please note that these are general directions and travel times may vary depending on the time of day and traffic conditions. It is always a good idea to check public transportation schedules and plan your route in advance. Thank you for watching this video about the Edo Castle and its surrounding areas. I hope that you found the information useful and that it inspires you to visit this historic site during your travels to Tokyo. Don't forget to check the official website of the Imperial Household Agency for up-to-date information on events and guided tours.